Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and it's Friday, so it's time for some Friday finishes. So I'm going to start off with this one. This, by the way, is my lovely, lovely sketchbook that came from Baylee Jae. I will pop a link to her her page and her socials in the description. Her merch shop is currently closed because she's in the middle of moving house, but I can highly recommend her products once the shop's back open. So the reason I have this here today is because I've been using my new bookmark inside it. So here it is. This is the embroidery bookmark from VIP Cross Stitch. I'm just going to bring you down a bit so you can have a nice clear view. So this was my first attempt at embroidery on what I assume is kind of a Chinese silk. It was not, now how can I put this? It was easy enough to do. However, I think with practice I would become a lot neater, and I'd be a lot happier with the way that the back looks, because at the moment I'm not 100% happy with the back compared to the front. The only thing I will say is that the instructions didn't include any information on how to attach the silk to the metal framework, so I just kind of best guessed it. I'm going to input some footage so that you can see the process of me completing this. It was enjoyable to do. It's always nice to change things up and try something different, and the finished piece, whilst maybe not good enough, it's certainly not good enough to sell, is maybe good enough to gift to someone who, you know, would appreciate a handmade gift. But yeah, on the whole, I'm quite happy with it. It is a bargain price kit at £3.40, and I can also offer you my code, which I will pop on screen now, so that you can get yourself 5% off of your purchases from VIP Cross Stitch. So next is a finish that's actually from last week, but I didn't get a chance to show it, and that is the canvas that I completed for Pride. You can actually see how sparkly this is. It's ridiculous and I love it. It is a round 30 by 40 from DIY Digital Art. I have a discount code for them as well. I will pop that on the screen now. That is NOASDMF2, and that gives you 10% off your order. This canvas, again, bargain price, £4.43. It is a lovely soft sort of artist quality canvas. Great quality drills. I didn't have to have any problems with popping. I didn't have to do anything special with it. All I've done at the moment is trim off the edges, and this is gonna go up in my house definitely every Pride. If not, just I'll find a home for it and it'll go up on the wall, because I really like it. I love the way that the script is, and I love the way that the stripes are not just, some of them are single colour, and then the purple and this red colour are made of more than one colour, so it just gives it a little bit more depth. But yeah, I really enjoyed completing it. As I say, I did it as my June project, alongside doing the Shouts Great Create. Okay, and the last thing I've got to show you is not really a finish, but it will allow me to finish this nicely. This is a magnetic frame. It is suitable for 30 by 40 canvases and came from One Day Saving. It is £4.21. Again, I have a code for them. I'll pop it on the screen now. So that's Arietta 050FF for 5% off. And we can open this up. You can see it's magnetic on the clear window section and on the back section. And then pop in my canvas, close it down, just line you up properly, there we go. And then that is all magneted in there. Ooh, there we go, that's better. Held in there by the magnet. And the back side of this you can, I believe, I haven't tried yet. Yeah, so the back side of this you can peel off, and that would then give you a clear, sticky, should you wish to stick this directly to a wall, you would be able to do that, and then you could change whatever canvas was in there throughout the year, weekly, monthly, whatever you liked. Great for if you want to put a seasonal canvas up, something that you want to change regularly and have space allotted for a canvas. So yes, unfortunately I will say mine came a little bit buckled in the post. You can probably just tell just there's a bit of a kink in it, but I'm going to pop it under some heavy books and hopefully that will sort itself out. I wouldn't recommend ironing these, they are plastic. But yeah, I think it's a great solution to framing canvases, particularly, as I say, in a situation where you may want to change them regularly. So once again, we've got our magnetic frame from One Day Saving. We've got the Love is Love canvas from DIY Digital Art, and we've got our embroidered bookmark from VIP Cross Stitch. So those are my finishes for this week. I hope you've enjoyed sharing them with me. If you've got any questions about the products that I've shown today or the companies, please do get in touch with me. My contact details are always in the description, but you can always just leave a message down in the comments and I will pick it up from there. If you like the things that I show, enjoy my content and want to see more of it, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!